Today we are going to learn about terms of probability. First term is event. Event is an outcome or set of outcomes to satisfy the given conditions. Event is an outcome or set of outcomes satisfy given conditions. So what is event? For example, when a coin is tossed, like this. When the coin is tossed, getting a head or getting a tail. A bag contains 3 red balls and 4 blue balls. A bag contains 3 red balls and 4 blue balls. What is the probability to get red color ball? Here, to get red color ball is event. Next, one person, he is going to start a scooter, whether it is starts or not. So these are the examples to event. What is the meaning of event? Event is an outcome or set of outcomes satisfying given condition. Next, equal likely events. What is the here? Equal likely. Both have the equal chances. 2 or more events are said to be equal likely if each one of them has an equal chance. For example, one person, he is going to toss a coin to get a head or to get tail. Both have the equal chances. Tomorrow, India and Australia, they are going to play a cricket match. There is a chance to win India and also there is a chance to win Australia. Both teams have the equal chances. So what is the meaning of equal likely events? 2 or more events are said to be equal likely if each one of them has an equal chance. Better example, to tossing a coin, and for example, one person, he is going to attend one exam. Maybe there is equal chance to fail or pass. Here, one box contains 5 red balls and also 5 blue balls. So from the 10 balls, 5 are red balls and 5 are blue balls. One student, he is going to pick up one ball from that. There is a equal chance to pick up red ball and also equal chance to pick up blue balls. Why? Because the number of blue balls is equal to number of red balls. Both are the same. So both balls have the same chance. Why? Because here 5 red balls are there and also 5 blue balls are there. Here, more likely events and less likely events. Something that would occur with great chance. Something that would occur with less chance. So here more likely and less likely. To know about this word, just I am going to give some example. Here, one box. In this box, 5 rupees coins are there. So number of 5 rupees coins are 5. Then after 20 10 rupees coins are there. 5 rupees coins, 20 10 rupees coins. One person, he want to pick up one coin from that. Here there is more chance to get 10 rupee coin. Why? Because the number of 10 rupees coins is more than the number of 5 rupees coins. And there is less chance to pick up 5 rupees coin. Why? Because if you compare 5 rupees coins with 10 rupees coins, number of 5 rupees coins are 5, but number of 10 rupees coins are 20. So there is lot of chance to get 10 rupees coins. There is less chance to get 5 rupees coins. So 10 rupees coins are more likely. 5 rupees coins are less likely. What is the definition here? Something that would occur with a great chance. Here the number of 10 rupees coins are more than the 5 rupees coins. So 10 rupees coins are nothing but more likely events. 5 rupees coins are less likely event. Similarly, if you take a ball, here one black ball there, two red balls are there. There is chance to get red ball. Why? Because number of red balls are more than the number of black balls. So red balls are more likely events and black balls are less likely events. Next, impossible event. Something that cannot be happened. For example, getting 7 on face when a die thrown once. On dice we have only 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. But here he is asking to get 7. It is impossible event. Why? Because 6 is not there on face of die. So 7 we can't get. So this is very good example to impossible event. For example, one bag. In that bag all red color balls are there. That bag contains total red color ball. What is the probability to get black color ball? There is no chance to get black ball. Why? Because in that bag black balls are not there. So these are better example to impossible events. Here some examples. Classify the following. Rolling a die and getting 5 on the top face. Solution. Here in first question. So on the die total 6 faces, 6 numbers. So from the 6 numbers he want 5 on the face. So this is less likely event. Second one, getting a tail or head when a coin is tossed. So on the can 2 faces, one is head and one is tail. So both are have the equal chances. Third one, a bag contains 6 red balls and 10 yellow balls. So if you compare, yellow balls are more than the red balls. So yellow balls have more likely events, more chances to get. So yellow balls are more likely events and red balls are less likely events.